I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gyan School, and today we will continue here our 6th standard science chapter number 6 and changes around us. In a previous class we learned about the physical changes and chemical changes. Now here we will learn two changes, that is fast and slow changes, and second is the reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, now we will start our today's class. So first we know about the fast changes. What is the fast changes? Okay, fast changes means that changes that occurs within a short span of time, means in a minute or in a second. For example, you can see here burning of paper. Okay, so it will take a time for burning for second to a minute, not hour or a day, right? It is burn easily and very fast, so it is a fast change. Okay, now in a second example you can see the rusting nails, right? It is a slow change because it take up very slowly and take our day or month, right? When the change is done, it take a time for a long period like an hour, okay, hours, day and month. In a shortcut you remember that HDM is hour, day and month, means it's take a time, long time, so it is a slow changes and it done very fast within a minute or within a second, so it is a fast change. Okay, now we will see the reversible and irreversible. You can see two more examples here. First is the toy aeroplane with a paper. We can make a toy aeroplane with a paper. When we unfold it, it will be changed into again rectangular piece of paper, right? So it is a reversible change because it get original shape. Okay, now second is the irreversible change. Irreversible change means that can be not reversed back. For example, falling of leaf from the tree, it cannot reverse back to the plant. It cannot reverse back to the plant. It cannot stick with the plant, right? After falling, it cannot stick on the plant. It cannot reverse from the back to the plant. So it is a irreversible change. Means reversible change means that changes which can be reversed. Okay, which can be reversed by the reversing condition or removing the cause is called reversible change. For example, this. Okay, and irreversible change means the change which cannot be reversed even by changing the condition or by removing the cause is called irreversible change. Example is burning of paper also, because after burning we cannot change into a paper sheet, right? When we burn the paper sheet, it will be not change into the again come back to the paper sheet, so it is a irreversible change. Fast is also, but it is also a irreversible change. Okay, now we will go ahead and learn more about the slow fast changes and reversible and irreversible changes. Student, you see more examples on your screen, that is burning of the matchstick and broken plate. Now tell me, burning of matchstick is an example of fast change or a slow change? Very good. Is it a fast change? Why? Because it is done in just a second. When you rub the matchstick on the matchbox, it is a burn very fast. Okay, so it is a fast change. Now tell me, broken plate, it is a fast change or it is a slow change? It is a fast change. Why? Because when plate slips from our hand, it is a break into just a second, not a minute also, right? It is just in a second, so it is also a fast change, right? Now tell me, friends, burning of matchstick is a reversible or irreversible? Yes, it is a irreversible. Okay, it is a irreversible. Why? Because it cannot come back to their original shape, means not a whole matchstick like before burning. It is right. So it is a irreversible change. Now tell me, the break-in plate is a reversible or irreversible change? Right, it is also a irreversible change. Okay, so why it is irreversible? Because we cannot join them and make it uh, back to the plain and new plate, right? So it is also a irreversible change. So both are the fast but irreversible change. Okay, now we will see more examples of it. You can see here the ice cubes change into the water, right? Ice cubes are changed into the water. Now tell me, we can learn three types of changes here, right? First is a physical chemical, second fast, slow, and third is the reversible and irreversible. Now tell me which type of change is it? First, it is a physical change. Why? Because ice is physical change and it is reversible change. Why? Because after melting it is a water and before melting it is only water, but if their shape will be changed, state will be changed, so it is a physical change. Okay, now if we freeze again by decreasing the temperature, it will be reversed and form the ice, right? So it is a reversible change because it is reversed. Ice cube melt will be in a normal temperature, it will be changed into water, and when we put into the fridge, right, keep into the fridge, it will be changed into ice cube. So it is a reversible change. Okay, which change? Reversible change. But tell me, it is a fast or slow? When the ice cubes melt into the water, it is done in a minute, so it is a fast change, right? But water is changed into the ice cube, it's take an hour, right? So it is a which change? Slow change. Okay, good. Now second is example here is here, bursting of crackers, exploding of crackers. Now tell me, it is a physical or chemical change? Right, it is a chemical change because explosion reactant are changed into chemical, and it is a fast change because when we give them a heat, it will be burst suddenly. All burning things release gases, so all burning things is a chemical and irreversible change. Okay students, all burning things are chemical and irreversible change. Okay, now we will see another example. Let's see what is this. It is a volcano, right? So tell me, it is a reversible or irreversible change, fast and slow change, physical and chemical change. Right, we learn now that is whole burning things are chemical change, right? So it is a chemical change. Now second, it is a very fast change, right? Sometime it is a reversible and sometime it is a irreversible. Now you can see in the second diagram, that is a glowing the bulb, right? When an electric current is passed through the filament, okay, when the electric current is passed in the filament, so bulb is glow, pass through the filament, then bulb is suddenly glow. When the current is cut off the current, when we switch off the bulb, so it is stopped glowing suddenly. So tell me, it is a fast and slow change, right? It is a fast change because suddenly when we cut off the current, bulb is stop glowing suddenly, right? So it is a fast change. When we switch on the switch on, when we switch on, so bulb is start glowing within a second. So it is a fast change. Okay, and it is also a physical change and chemical change. Now we can see here. Now tell me, what is this? This is the fragmentation. Okay, when your mother make the khaman, idli, dosa, etc., your mother will fragmentate the dough. Okay, so it is also a slow changes and chemical change. Why? Because fragmentation take a hour, right? So it is a slow change, and chemical substance are change these things, so it is also a chemical change. Okay, and also it is a irreversible. Can you make fragmentation dough in a normal dough? No. So it is a irreversible change. It cannot be reversed back in a normal dough. So it is a irreversible change. Now we will see next example of it. Blowing balloon. Okay, a balloon changes shape and says blowing air into it. So tell me, it is a fast, slow, or what? It is a fast change, right? Within a minute you can blow the balloon. Okay, and it is a sometime reversible when it is not burst. When it is not burst, it is a reversible, but it is burst. When you blow more air in it, it will be burst. So it is a irreversible change, because you cannot blow again and you cannot give them a original shape. So it is a sometime reversible, sometime irreversible, but it is a fast change, and it is a physical change, because only shape and size will be changed here, not a chemical thing. Now growth of plant. Growth of plant means germination. It is a slow and irreversible change, as it takes few days to month to germination a seedling from seed, and this is irreversible change. This is irreversible change. Can plant again take this shape? No. So it is a irreversible change, because the same seedling which germs into a plant cannot reverse back into the growth, right? So it is a slow and irreversible change. Now here humans growth, same. Growth is an irreversible change always. Okay, any growth, plant growth, animals growth, human growth. Growth is an irreversible and slow changes. Okay, so because it cannot be reversed back, a child growth up cannot be turned back, right? It cannot be back to the child, right? So it is a irreversible change. It cannot be reversed, and it is a slow process. Okay, so I think you can understand these things. Okay, now this is the another example of slow changes, physical changes, reversible changes. So you can see here is the milk is changed into the curd, right? Here is milk and it is a curd. Now tell me, it is a reversible, irreversible, fast and slow. Once it is a slow change, because it take a time for hour, and it is a chemical change, because here your milk chemical formulas is different, and you can taste it a normal taste, but we can use test the curd, it will be sour in taste. So it is a chemical change, their chemical properties are changed. Now third one, it is the irreversible change. Irreversible change, why? It can be back into the milk, curd back in, can back change into the milk? No. Okay, once curd from milk, it cannot, sorry, one curd from milk, it cannot reverse back to the milk. Formation of curd from the milk, the chemical composition of change. So it is a slow, irreversible and chemical change. Okay, now here you can see the stretch the rubber band. Okay, rubber band you can use at home in many things. A stretched rubber band is an example of physical change, okay, because their shape and size only change, not a chemical properties change. So it is a physical change, and it is a reversible change because you can stretch it and leave it, it get original their original shape, right? When you stretch it, their shape will be changed, but you leave it, their original shape will be come back. So it is a physical and irreversible change. Okay, now here our topic is finished, students. I hope you can understand everything. We will meet into the next class. Okay, bye.